The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by FX, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Alibaba dropped 1.3% to $113.49 on Wednesday, weighed down by regulatory concerns and weak consumer demand in China. The German stock market index traded at around 23,000 euros on Friday, extending its losing streak for the third day and hitting its lowest level since early May, as speculation over potential U.S. intervention in the Middle East rattled investors. Gold fell below $3,360 per ounce on Friday, trading near a one-week low and heading for its first weekly decline in three, as investors sold bullion to cover losses in other markets amid escalating Middle East tensions. The New Zealand dollar held near 60 cents on Friday, after dropping to a two-week low, pressured by Middle East tensions and fears of U.S. involvement. Bitcoin traded at around $104,500 this Friday, decreasing by 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin lost 4.6%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the retail sales for May, following 1.2% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the housing price index in Canada is expected to increase, after reaching -0.4% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index of June, following -4 in May. Monday's major economic events. At 7:30 a.m., Germany to release the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for June, following 48.3 in May. At 8:30 a.m., the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index in the UK is expected to increase, after reaching 46.4 in May. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the existing home sales of May, following 4 million in April.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.